Третий класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Она собирает цветы. Часть вторая. Страница 72-73. English. Starlight 3. She is picking flowers. Homework. Part number 2. Page number 72-73. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 72. 72. Exercise number 1. Read the word sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Прочтите слова предложения сначала про себя, а затем вслух. You, new, you, beautiful. A beautiful horse. What a beautiful horse. What a beautiful horse you have, Simon. A bag, back. Dad, that. Land, hand. Track, carry. Pam, can. Has, cat. This is Pam. Pam has something in her bag. Pam, come back, Dad says. What are you carrying in your bag? Nothing, Dad, Pam says. Then Dad opens Pam's bag. What's that, Pam? Dad asks Pam. It's a cat, Dad, Pam says. Can we keep it, Dad, please? Oh, all right, says Dad, and puts the cat down with his hand. A. Train, wait, great, late, safe, brave, Jake, safe. This is Jake. Jake is waiting for the train. Jake likes to ride the train. Here comes the train. The crocodile is on the train. Is Jake safe? What do you say? Yes, Jake is safe. The crocodile likes to ride the train too. Now Jake and the crocodile are riding the train together. That's great. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Write the words into groups. A group with the A sound and a group with the A sound. There are words you do not need. Напишите слова в двух группах. Группу со звуком и группу со звуком A. Есть слова, которые вам не нужны. You, cat. Beautiful, dead. Come, walk. Land, great. Hand, soon. Duck, train. Children, good. Say, fun, wait. The answer: A, dead, land, hand. A, great, train, say, wait. The word you do not need. You, cat, beautiful. Come, walk, soon. Duck, children. Good, fun. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. The train is late, and I can't wait to see you once again. I am coming back along the track on a horse without a name. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 73. Checkpoint. Exercise number 1. Read and match. Прочтите и сопоставьте. Look at the seals. What are they doing? Time to go home. Look at Emma. Look at Harry. They are playing football. She is picking flowers. He is playing the guitar. We're not going home yet. They're looking at us. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look and match. Найдите и сопоставьте. Rhino, lion. Hippo, cow. Elephant, goat. Giraffe, seal. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read and complete. Прочитайте и заполните. The answer. Where are Jake and Molly? Are they sleeping? No, they aren't. Molly's in the garden. She's picking flowers. Jake is in the park. He's playing football with his friends. What are you doing? I'm making a big cake for everyone. Oh, great. Now I can say the names of some animals. Ask what the animals are doing. Answer what the animals are doing. Say what some people are doing. Say and write about my day on a farm in English. Say and write about my day on a farm. I'm having a great time on the farm. It's sunny today. I'm helping Grandpa with the cow and goat. The cow is eating. The goat is drinking water. I love it here. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.